Are you a manufacturer that wants to pay based on production line results? Or are you an original equipment manufacturer trying to create recurring revenue in your business? Welcome to Automation Coffee Break, and today you will learn about equipment as a service and how it can be good for both the original equipment manufacturer and the end customer of the line. You may have heard of software as a service in the computer world. Software as a service is something most software companies have switched to, allowing for recurring revenue. One example is Microsoft's change from selling Office per version to selling it on a subscription basis. In the past, most businesses would purchase a version and use it for several years before upgrading it. Now with Office 365, you pay monthly to use the product and always have the most current version of the software. Equipment as a service is the equivalent for original equipment manufacturers, which allows them to bill their customers based on a per-part cost or monthly usage. This billing enables the end customer to put the equipment on an operations expense budget compared to the typical capital expense budget. This change may not sound like a big deal, but this allows the end customer to justify equipment updates easily. In equipment as a service, maintaining the equipment is the original equipment manufacturer's responsibility. This allows the plant to focus on manufacturing the product and reduces operational expenditures. The value is not only on the end customer's side. The original equipment manufacturers can get a recurring revenues. Another benefit for the original equipment manufacturers is the data you get from the lines. You will know when the end customer needs additional capacity, allowing you to proactively present options to increase production. You will also have data enabling you to improve your customer's experience, such as decreasing downtime or increasing production. Depending on how your contract is worded, these changes can result in additional income. The ability to offer equipment as a service is dependent on data and your ability to collect it. The best way to access and manage this data is the Industrial Internet of Things, which we cover in another one of our videos. Follow our channel or check out automationcoffeebreak.com for more content.